Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom WordPress user role by editing the capabilities. Let's get started. In order to do that, let's just scroll down right here on our left sidebar until we can see in here the option called users. Here's users right here. Let's head over and click on it. Once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see all of the users that you have in here as well. So I have in here this tutorial bro, and it's actually an author role. So let's try to edit out them. So let's click on edit right here. And then once we have clicked on that, we should be able to see this. So we can choose the admin color scheme for this one as well. So you can also disable or enable the visual editor and writing. So let's choose in here a midnight scheme. And then in here, you can also see in here the username. The username can be changed. So you can also choose in here an author or any role that you want. So for example, let's use in here an actual role that we can use for this case. So we have in here the application password, billing address, fees, and all of that. So if you want to actually add a new role or create a new role, you can head over and then just try to create a new role for this particular person. So we only have this once. So let's head over and create a new role by heading over to our users right here and click on this add new user or this profile right here. After you're done with that, just head over right. You will be redirected to the post tags that you can see in here. So the tag will differently valid or vary depending on the author or the person that will be added on that specific post that has been created. What you can do in this case again is to head back to this particular page of the add new user. Then just select the role. For now, let's choose contributor, but let's tweak the access for this particular user. You can click on this invite user, and then in here you can see this external user, which means that they will be a contractor freelancer and they will have limited access to our website with this particular role. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.